Good morning, students. Up to last class, we have discussed the structure of flower, and in this class, there are two reproductive parts: male reproductive organ, female reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ is known as stamen, and female reproductive organ, this is stamen, and female reproductive organ is the ovary. Got it? And we have seen the pollen grains transfer from anther to stigma, and when these pollen grains transfer over here, they start to germinate and produce a tube-like structure. This tube-like structure is known as pollen tube. This tube-like structure is called as pollen tube. This is the pollen tube. And now we know that there are two special structures produced in the reproductive organs, and these special structures are known as gametes. These special structures are known as gametes. Male reproductive organ, stamen, produce the male gamete, and carpel or pistil produce the female gamete. Now, fusion of male and female gamete is called as fertilization. Fusion or meeting of the male and female gamete is called as fertilization. After fertilization, जैसे ही fertilization हुआ, we know well, flower is the special reproductive organ. The outermost hole is the ears, sepals, petals. क्या होगा? Rose flower है. After fertilization, the petals, sepals dry up and wither. Wither मतलब सूख करके खत्म हो जाएंगे. They will dry up and wither. Right? सूख करके नीचे गिर जाएंगे. All the petals, sepals, which will remain over here. What is the function of anther after fertilization? So anther also lost. Anther, stamen also lost after fertilization. Now fertilization जब हो गया तो अब इसका क्या रोल बचा है? So there is no role of the stigma. There is no role of the style. Stigma and style also weathered up. सूख करके खत्म हो जाएंगे, नीचे गिर जाएंगे. नाउ व्हाट विल रिमेन इन दिस पार्ट? दिस ovary part will remain over here, and ovary is now this ovary known as ripen ovary. Now ovary enlarge in size, and produce a covering known as pericarp. Ovary produce a covering around it known as pericarp, and this ovary ripen ovary. This work is over. Now ripen ovary. You know, you eat various kind of the fruits, and what is the fruit? Ripen ovary is known as fruit. Ripen ovary is called as fruit, and these ovules are now known as ovules, known as seeds. After fertilization, ovary modified into fruit, ovules modified into seeds. Ovules modified into seeds, ovary modified into fruit. Got it? What is the fruit? So, if anybody asks you What is a fruit? You will say ripen ovary is called fruit, or after fertilization ovary develop into fruit. After fertilization ovule develop into seeds. Got it? So what is the function of the fruit? Fruit having some stored food material for the development of seeds. Number one. Number two, fruit provide protection to the seeds. Fruit provide protection to the seeds. Got it? Now look, seeds. Seed. We will take a gram seed. Gram चने का बीज, चना, and put into the water. Soak it take some gram seeds and soak into the water. पानी में डुबा के रख देंगे रात भर के लिए. Now after and 24 hours, take like this cloth and wet it, गीला करेंगे, and now put the seeds into it and cover it, wrap the seeds with the cloth and put over here. Right? After 1 day, 2 days, you will see the gram seeds start to germinate. Gram seeds start to germinate. Now, when it start to sprouting, sprout you can say, we have discussed sprout earlier. So, when it sprout, germinate, look over here, what is the structure of the gram seeds? Like this structure is there. In this structure, there is a special new structure develop over here, and this is known as embryo. This is called as embryo. Embryo develop from the zygote. What is the zygote? The structure actually we have seen male and female gametes fuse, and this fusion is known as fertilization. After fusion, there is a structure is formed. This structure is known as zygote. Zygote develop into embryo when it get sufficient, number one, water, air and moisture, air and temperature. When it gets sufficient temperature, water and air, it will develop into new plant. You have seen that during winter season it takes too long time. Sprouting takes 2 days, 3 days, even 5 days. But in case of the summer, the sprout get readily. It takes very less time. Why? Because it also depend upon the temperature. Temperature is also important factor. Now this is the embryo, and along this embryo is enclosed by the, like this, these are known as seed leaves. These are known as seed leaves. These are known as seed leaves, and seed leaves are also known as cotyledons. Cotyledons. And cotyledons having stored food. We have learnt in 5th class also. Cotyledons function storage of food. Cotyledons stored food for growth of the new plant. new for the growth of embryo. To develop the embryo, cotyledons stored food. Later on, embryo develop into a new plant. Right? This seed is covered with a coat, and the covering of the seed is known as seed coat. Seed is covering with the seed coat. So, seed is covered with the seed coat. Number 1, it consists 2 seed leaves, which are also known as cotyledons, storage of the food. It also has an embryo which develop into new plant or new seedlings. Got it?